Hi, it's good to have you. Nutritional supplements, what do they do? Whether it's vitamins, minerals, or herbs, they add the nutrients that your diet is lacking and provide you with that extra protection where you need. Blood type diet was created by Dr. Peter J. D'Adamo. He not only personalized the diet, but also the nutritional supplements and exercise as well. Just like food, nutritional supplements does not work the same way for everyone. It targets a fixed role to complete your nutritional requirement. Subscribe, thank you for giving me a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification. Let's zero in on blood type A, nutritional supplements. Before you start any nutritional supplement regimen, consult your doctor. What do the nutritional supplements focus on for your type? The supplements recommended for you will help to counter your tendencies, like the tendency to produce high cortisol levels, which is linked to heart disease and lowered immunity. You also have the tendency to develop stress related asthma because of your stress profile, like excessive anger, anxiety, and aggression. You have lower levels of alkaline phosphate enzyme, which is manufactured in the small intestine and it is responsible for the absorption of dietary fats. It'll tone your immune system, supply the cancer fighting antioxidants. It'll balance your bacterial population diversity in your gut and strengthen your cardiovascular system. Vitamins have different jobs. They help you to keep your body functioning properly. You should know that you have vitamin B12 deficiency. For one reason, because your diet lacks this nutrient which is mostly found in animal protein. And second reason, you also have difficulty in absorbing because you lack the intrinsic factor which is produced in the stomach lining, which helps the absorption of B12 into the blood. And deficiency can cause senile dementia and other neurological impairments. You should buy the one that has methylcobalamin form of B12 and avoid cyanocobalamin form. Your diet contains enough of most other B vitamins. However, if you suffer from anemia, you might want to take a small supplement of folic acid. And if you are a heart patient, you should ask your doctor to lower the dose of niacin supplement because it has the cholesterol lowering property. Type A, you have a higher rate of stomach cancer because of low stomach acid. And what will help you is when you take additional supplements of vitamin C. If you're a smoker or eat cured meats, it produces nitrite, which has a greater potential to cause stomach cancer in people with lower levels of stomach acid. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which is known to block this reaction. You don't do well on high doses like 1000 milligrams and up. Instead, what you can do is over the course of the day, take 2 to 4 capsules of 250 milligrams supplements, which is derived from rose hips or acerola cherries, and this will not cause any digestive problems. There is some evidence that vitamin E serves as a protectant against both cancer and heart disease, which you are prone to both. You might want to take a daily supplement of not more than 400 international units. Your body uses minerals for different jobs. It keeps your bones, muscles, brain, and heart working properly. Your diet includes some dairy products, and that's the reason why it's not an acute necessity that you take calcium supplements. However, you can take additional calcium 300 to 600 milligram elemental calcium from middle age onwards. You tolerate calcium gluconate, do well on calcium citrate, and do best on natural calcium derived from the pristine seaweed beds of northern Ireland called marl. Your diet is naturally low in iron because it is found in the greatest abundance in red meats. If you're a woman with heavy menstrual periods, you should be careful about keeping sufficient iron stores. If you need supplementation, do it under your doctor's supervision because the blood test can monitor your progress. In general, use as low a dose as possible and avoid extended period of supplementation. Try to avoid the crude iron preparations such as ferrous sulfate, which can irritate your stomach. Milder forms of supplementations like iron citrate or blackstrap molasses, you can use them instead. Floridex is a liquid iron and herb supplementation. It is highly assimilable. It's been found that small amount of zinc supplementation, as little as 3 milligrams per day, makes a big difference in protecting children against infection, especially ear infection. Zinc supplementation is like a double-edged sword, where small periodic doses will improve immunity. Long-term high doses can depress it and can interfere with the absorption of other minerals. So you have to be careful with zinc. Herbs, phytochemicals, and probiotics for type A. Hawthorn has a number of impressive cardiovascular effects. It increases the elasticity of the arteries and strengthens the heart. It lowers blood pressure and exerts a mild solvent-like effect on the plaques in the arteries. And that's what makes it a great cardiovascular tonic. If you're type A, you should definitely add it to your diet, especially if you have a family history of heart disease. You have a tendency to be open to immune compromising infections, and these immune enhancing herbs, such as purple cone flower, can help ward off colds, flus, and may even help optimize the immune system's anti cancer watch. People take it in liquid or tablet form. The Chinese herb huang kui is also taken as an immune tonic. Chondroitin sulfate is sold as joint support supplement along with glucosamine sulfate, and it's a component of our connective tissue, and it liberates A-like sugar which is free to attract, trap, and block lectins. Anti-stress aids, mild herbal relaxants such as chamomile and valerian root are good. They are available as teas and you should take them frequently. Quercetin is a bioflavonoid and it is found abundantly in vegetables, particularly yellow onions. You can also take supplements 100 to 500 milligrams. It's a powerful antioxidant, many hundred times more than vitamin E. It can make a powerful addition to your cancer prevention strategies as well. Milk thistle is an effective antioxidant. It has additional special property of reaching very high concentration in your liver and bile duct. Type A normally suffer from disorders of the liver and gallbladder, and if you have a family history, you should add milk thistle supplements to your protocol. Cancer patients receiving chemotherapy, you should use milk thistle because it will help to protect your liver from damage. If you suffer from bloating or other signs of poor absorption of protein, take bromelain supplements. If blood type A diet is new for you, initially you might find it difficult to adjust. It may be uncomfortable, produce excessive gas or bloating. You might want to take probiotic supplements because it can counter these effects by supplying the good bacteria to your digestive tract. This evidence which suggests that beta carotene could prevent artery disease. A recent study suggests that beta carotene in high doses can act as pro-oxidant, speeding up damage to the tissues rather than stopping it. This caveat is highly individual. There may be times when you need vitamin A supplement for short-term benefits. You need to check with your doctor. Vitamin A and beta carotene is found in seafood, yellow and orange veggies. Best carotene-rich foods are egg, spinach, yellow squash, broccoli, and carrot. Let's zero in on blood type A, the kind of exercise that you need to do, and the duration. To get a consistent release of tension and revival of energy, you need to perform one or more of these exercises 3 or 4 times a week. And you need to pay attention to the length of the session, the kind of exercise, the duration, and how many times a week you need to do. Tai Chi, 30 to 45 minutes, 3 to 5 times. Hatha yoga, 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times. Martial arts, 60 minutes, 2 to 3 times. Golf, 60 minutes, 2 to 3 times. Brisk walking, 20 to 40 minutes, 2 to 3 times. Swimming, 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times. Dance, 30 to 45 minutes, 2 to 3 times. Aerobics, low impact, 30 to 45 minutes, 2 to 3 times. Stretching, 15 minutes, 3 to 5 times. You react to stress by mismanaging cortisol, which can cause you to gain weight, depress your immune system, and interfere with restorative sleep. You should do yoga or meditation. It will help you to counter the negative stress and help you to relax. Tai Chi and Hatha Yoga will help you to calm and center. Moderate isometric exercises such as hiking, swimming, and bicycling are good for you. What matters is how you engage your mind in your physical activity. When you do heavy competitive sports and exercises, it will only exhaust your nervous energy and make you tense all over again and leave your immune system open to illness or disease. Be fabulous, heal your body and mind. See you in my next video. Until then, take care.